Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a fun announcement from Fort Worth Fabric Studios. Their next mystery quilt is ready to be revealed. Many of you have been asking, and today is the day I finally get to announce the next Fort Worth Fabric Studio mystery quilt sew along. The theme this time is Stay Spooky, and the quilt will finish at 58 by 68 inches. We are going to begin this on September 11th, and we're going to sew this through October 9th. I'm really excited to work on this. I'm not a huge Halloween fan lover myself, but I just love the fabrics that they picked out, and I know my kids are going to love this, so it's going to be great. If you are watching this and you would like to support Fort Worth Fabric Studios for giving us all the free patterns, they do still have kits available. I will link that down below. The kit this time is $82.96, and it's a great way to give back to them to purchase the kit for giving us all these free patterns, which is so nice of them. I know as a pattern designer myself how many hours it takes to write a pattern, and it takes even longer when you have to dissect it as a mystery. So great way to support them, but they realize that not everyone can grab the kit, so you are welcome to sew from your stash. One benefit of getting the kit is that you get all your fabrics up front ahead of time, which means you can get them prepped if you're somebody who likes to press and starch or best press, and have them ready to go for the first day, which would be September 11th for the cutting. If not, just come to their website on September 11th where the patterns are, and I'll link that down below as well. And that day you'll be able to grab the fabric requirement list and the cutting instructions and get started. So don't ask ahead of time because I can't give you the fabric requirements and neither will Fort Worth Fabric Studio, because that's part of the mystery and, like I said, part of one of the perks of grabbing the kit. But the first week I believe we're just cutting, maybe making one small block, so you'll be able to catch up no problem, even if you're just getting the requirements and pulling your fabrics. So I wanted to show you fabrics that came in the kit. This is the pile this time. I took it out of the plastic. And the first one is these cute little ghosts that have little trick-or-treat bags. I think they're just adorable. Like I said, I'm not usually a big Halloween person because I don't like scary stuff. That's just me. But I do like the cutesy stuff. So this so far is not bad. These are just words that say like treats, boo, eek, spooky, that kind of thing. Ooh, I like these. I like these plaids. I do love fall. Fall is one of my favorite. Autumn is one of my favorite seasons. Actually, is my favorite season. So anything like with these pretty autumn colors, I love. This plaid is gorgeous. I didn't used to be into plaids, but I find myself in the last couple of years really drawn to them. Here's another plaid. Really, really nice. This one has cats and skulls and witch hats and brooms. My kids are going to love this quilt for sure. Now here's a green, or a green. Green. I'm looking right at it, calling it green. It's orange. Orange with words. Same words as before, just orange. Ooh, I like this next one. This one is just a dot, like a blender, but it's got all like the fall, autumn, Halloween colors. This one is like a smiling pumpkin face. I like when they smile and they're not scary. That's nice. Oh, I like this one. This is an orange blender, or green. No, really orange. And then we have, oh, this must be the background fabric because there's a lot of it. We have a white, or a cream actually, it's not white, it's cream with the dot blender. So there you go. So we have the cream, the orange, and the black in those blenders. And then we have the little pumpkin faces that are smiling, which are cute. And then we have the two different word fabrics, the orange and the black, or green. And then we have this guy here. That's the only one of its kind. And then the ghosts that are trick-or-treating. They have little teeny tiny bags. That's so cute. And then we've got the two plaids, which are just gorgeous. I want some more of this. I want to make a pillow or something for my couch. All right, so that's the kit right there. That's all the fabrics that come in the kit. So if you're interested in grabbing that, like I said, I will link that down below. Go ahead and grab it today. There's still some left, but I'm not sure how many. As of making this video, there's still some left. It just did go up for order a couple of days ago, and the kits are ready to go. So as soon as you purchase it, they're going to send them out to you. Don't forget that this Monday, Labor Day, is a holiday, so there's no mail going out. So if you purchase it today or within the next few days, it won't go out till at least Tuesday or Wednesday probably. I know they'll get them out quickly though, since we're starting to sew this on the 11th. So in addition, like most other times, which super grateful for this, Jody gave me another kit to give away. So this is a big deal. So thank you so much, Jody, over at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. This is a big prize in an $83 kit. It's a big deal. So thank you to her. And if you're not part of the Facebook group yet and you love Fort Worth Fabric Studios patterns and you're on Facebook, go ahead and join that Facebook group. I will link that down below. And maybe post a little thank you to Jody for everything she does and for giving these kits to us creators to give away to you, because that's a lot. That's a lot. It's a big kit. It's a lot of money. And so extremely grateful that she gave me this to give away to one of you. So if you would like to win this kit, tell me what your favorite thing is about autumn. I'll tell you what my favorite thing is. Here in Ohio, we have a lot of farms and a lot of apple trees. Our favorite thing to do with our kids in the fall is to go apple picking, and then after we get our apples, we go up to the farm stand and we purchase our pumpkins. And so my favorite thing about fall is apple picking. I would love to hear what yours is below. That's all you have to do, is tell me what your favorite thing is about autumn, and you'll be entered to win this lovely kit. And for some reason you already purchased it or you don't want this, go ahead and still tell me what your favorite thing is about fall, but put that you're not interested in being in the giveaway. All right, guys. Well, I will give you until Labor Day, this Monday, to enter the giveaway, and then Monday evening I will put up a video that says who the winner is. If anybody contacts you here in the chat, in the comments down below, that is not me. I won't contact you that way. Make sure you wait till Monday's video to hear the name of the person who won, and then I'll tell you how to contact me to grab your kit from me. If you do put in for this kit, make sure you come back and watch that video, because last time I had a time giving it away because I couldn't get the person who had won was unavailable and didn't see my video for a few days. But I got to make a quick turnaround since we're starting this on the 11th. So I like to pull it Monday night so I can get in the mail out on Tuesday, so whoever wins can have time to prep all their fabrics and cut with me. But again, I will not contact you in the comments down below. There have been spammers in the past. There's bots. There's people who steal my picture and make a new account and will say, oh, you're the winner, and have you click here. That's a scam. Don't click there, because they will try to steal your information. So please don't do that. Come back to my channel this Monday evening, Labor Day, and I will announce the winner and tell you how to claim the kit. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. I'm going live at 5 here in a little bit, so I hope you see you there. We're going to sew up the Cotton Cuts Carnival Puzzle Mystery Quilt. So come along, and also go over to Fort Worth Fabric Studios and check out the new sew along and grab a kit. See you later. Bye.